Hello and welcome to another update video on HBAR. Here on the daily time frame, we can see that HBAR is currently consolidating above the previous breakout point. That's the swing high from the 12th of May. This level was recently broken on the 13th of July. We had a break above and a retest, and then a rally higher to our resistance level around 28 cents, which I called out several times as a very, very important resistance level. This level was tested several times and we got rejected. But the pullback is currently unfolding in a three-wave pattern. So it's a three-wave corrective pullback, which keeps the door open for overall higher prices. So that's ideal. But we will talk about that in more detail in a minute on the smaller time frame. I just wanted to show you the larger time frame first and what we're dealing with here. If we continue to go down lower and there are support levels that we're tracking on the smaller time frame, then the risk increases that this was all just a corrective B wave rally. That risk is quite high anyway. Altcoins love to form three-wave price tops, and in Elliott wave, we call these B-wave price tops, just corrective rallies that fail to form new highs or represent fakeouts. The price did what it needed to do. It rallied from support into resistance, and now the bulls need to show what they can, right? There are micro support levels that keep the overall uptrend intact. I mean, I would prefer if the price could even hold above the May swing high, so above 22.5 cents, but technically the price can go a little bit lower in this pullback, which I consider to be an internal fourth wave. If we can go higher, maybe over the coming sessions, then the next resistance levels are, well, still this 28-cent level, and then 33.3 cents, and then 39.2 cents are the next relevant resistances. So let us now take a look at the short-term chart for HBAR. Please note that whenever we're dealing with these micro patterns, the price can easily change direction quickly. So that's why we offer our membership, so you get live chart access and short-term updates. But we should be okay. So here you can see this green line that I mentioned already, 22.5 cents. This level currently acts as support. You see the white scenario, which could have put a major top in place, currently not expected because the pullback is in three waves. It's not a five-wave decline, which means the overall trend remains up, especially as long as we're holding support, which we do. The support zone for this current pullback, which I see as a corrective pullback, is between 20.6 cents and 25 cents. The price already showed a first reaction to Fibonacci support, but it was not a decisive or sustainable upside breakout yet. So I see different potentials here from a bullish point of view. And again, those scenarios are really only plausible as long as we're holding above 20.5 cents. In the blue scenario, we might have bottomed already, but then I need to see a break above resistance now. I don't fully believe it because honestly, the structure that we see represents so far only a three-wave rally. You can see that. And therefore, I think the orange scenario is at the moment at least more likely, at least until we see an impulsive upside reversal. So at the moment, I treat this as the A wave of a broader wave 4. This move up could have been a B wave. Okay, maybe it extends a little more. And then we could still get that C wave down. And I mean, as long as we're holding 20.5 cents, the bullish scenarios remain valid. But what we see here is so far all corrective. Look, it's overlapping. We didn't really get any strength. There was a rally today, but the price already got rejected from resistance. That's typically very characteristic of a correction that's still unfolding, which is typically characterized by very messy and chaotic price action. Yeah, that's the update on HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.